Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Instagram post limit. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you will be able to fix Instagram post limit very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application to the latest version because this feature is recently launched by Instagram. So to use this feature, you have to update your Instagram application to the latest version. And even after updating your Instagram application, still you are not able to use that feature, then there may be some bugs and glitch on your application which is preventing you to use that feature. And to fix that problem, you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on called apps. On the search bar, search for Instagram, and this type of interface will be shown. And scroll down and tap on storage, and here you have to clear all the data and cache because this might be the region of your problem. So tap on clear data and tap on delete and go to your Instagram application and check if that feature is available or not. Even after doing these two methods, still you are not able to use that features, then you have to force restart your mobile phone. And even after doing that method, still you are not able to use that features, then you have to report your problem to the Instagram community. And to do that, you have to tap on your profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner, and tap on the menu bar, or tap on this three horizontal line which is located in the top right corner, and scroll all the way down. And here in the section of more info and support, you have to tap on help and tap on report a problem and tap on report problem without staking and tap on include and continue. And here you have to briefly explain your problem. I'll explain mine. And after briefly explaining your problem, you just have to tap on send. Then you'll be able to send your problem to the Instagram community. And Instagram community will analyze your problem and they will try to fix your problem in some time. So you have to wait patiently. This is how you can fix your Instagram post limits. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.